Okay, this is her last hurrah. Their last hurrah. You better, come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. Yes, good, let's go, sweetie. He says, Joy says, I would like her to stop all that. Well, that's all right. You pick on her, too. Good dog. Okay. I'm going to leave you two to play. Wear yourselves out. You have a couple hours. Okay.